This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on your wallet. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the problem. Is the slider stuck, or are the teeth misaligned? Gather a few simple tools like small pliers, a pair of tweezers, and perhaps a graphite pencil. Knowing the issue helps you choose the right repair method, saving you time and effort. Let's get started on bringing your wallet back to full functionality. A common issue is a stuck zipper slider. To fix this, take a graphite pencil and rub its tip along both sides of the zipper teeth. The graphite acts as a dry lubricant, helping the slider move more freely. Alternatively, a small amount of bar soap or even lip balm can work wonders. Gently wiggle the slider back and forth a few times until it glides smoothly. Remember, patience is key here. If your zipper teeth are misaligned, you'll need a pair of needle nose pliers. Carefully examine the teeth and gently bend any that are out of place back into alignment. Work slowly, ensuring each tooth interlocks properly with its counterpart. Once the teeth appear straight, try to move the slider very slowly. If it catches, re-examine the teeth for any remaining imperfections. This step requires a steady hand. Sometimes, the slider itself is the problem and needs replacing. First, use pliers to carefully remove the old, damaged slider. Next, thread a new slider onto the zipper teeth from the bottom end, where the zipper stops. You might need to gently pry open the new slider slightly to get it on. Finally, crimp the bottom stop of the zipper with pliers to secure the new slider in place. Your wallet will be good as new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.